जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 4th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, this Prakriti which constitute of 8 elements, that is earth, bhumi, water, fire, air, akasam, and sensory organs which includes mind and intellect, and then mahattattvam, ahankaram. This entire Prakriti is under my control. Like this, Krishna Paramatma emphasizing that this apara Prakriti is under his control. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bhumirapaha analo vayuhu kham mano buddhirevacha ahankara itiyam me bhinna prakrutihi ashtadha. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Uddhava gave all answers to Vidura for all of his questions, then Vidura, because he came to know all Kauravas, all of his friends and relatives died, there was so much grief coming out from Vidura's heart. Sokam utpatitam. There was unbearable sokam, grief was coming out. But because Vidura has so much jnanam, with the help of that jnanam, jnanena asamayat, with that jnanam he could suppress all of his grief. Then he consoled himself, he pacified himself. Then Vidura, while looking at Uddhava, Vidura recognized Uddhava as Satam Mahabhagavatam Mukhyam Krishna Parigrahe. Vidura identified, recognized Uddhava as most beloved devotee of Sri Krishna Paramatma. That is why Vidura is now asked Uddhava like this, O Uddhava, Jnanam Param Svatmaraha Prakasham. అనగా ఉద్ధవ, నీకు కృష్ణుడు మన్నించి చెప్పిన అధ్యాత్మ రహస్య తత్వ విమల అభిజ్ఞాన సారంబు. ఓ ఉద్ధవ, దట్ యోగేశ్వరేశ్వర సర్వేశ్వర శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద విజ్డమ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ముఖ్య జ్ఞానం దట్ హీ గేవ్ యూ, can you please bless me all that mukhya jnanam, parajnanam, the ultimate wisdom. O Uddhava, I realize that you are Vishnu Bhakta, Bhagavad Bhaktulu, Sujanulu, Paropakara Tatparya Viveka Garishthulai Charinturu. I also know that Vishnu Bhaktas, great devotees, they will help all the people whoever they come across, and they always have an intention to bring well-being, welfare to the entire universe. That is what great devotees. O Uddhava, as you are such a great devotee, you please bless me with the knowledge that you got from Sakshat Srimannarayana. Like that, Vidura is now requesting Uddhava. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. బాలముకుందాష్టకం. సంహృత్య లోకాన్ వటపత్రమధ్యే శయానమాద్యంత విహీనరూపం సర్వేశ్వరం సర్వహితావతారం బాలం ముకుందం మనసా స్మరామి. బాలం ముకుందం మనసా స్మరామి. ముకుందమాల. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter 4th श्लोक। भूमिरापः अनलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा। भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च अहंकार इतीयं मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।